The VEVOR Recirculating Pump delivers instant hot water with a maximum flow rate of 10 gallons per minute and a head lift of 21.6 feet, ensuring efficient water circulation throughout your home. Equipped with a programmable timer, this pump allows you to set specific times for hot water circulation, aligning perfectly with your household's daily routine and promoting energy efficiency. Its whole house circulation capability, enhanced by a bypass valve, makes it suitable for various applications such as floor heating, boilers, and kitchen faucets. Constructed with a high-quality stainless steel pump head and braided hose, this recirculating pump is both rust-resistant and safe for delivering clean drinking water. Installation is straightforward with no need for pipe modifications, as it can be easily mounted under the faucet farthest from your water heater, supporting both tank and tankless systems. The VEVOR Recirculating Pump is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring a built-in check valve and a comprehensive user manual to simplify the setup process.